Okay, so today I'm going to try to troubleshoot how to fix the problem I have on one of my kids' PC. Okay, so as you can see, I plug everything in, press start button, and the power turn on and off like that. Okay, so I'm going to take the back plate back here. Okay, mine using thumb screw, but you can see back here, some of them are using that type of screw right there. Okay. The one that looked like a nut on there. Okay, I'm just using a thumb screw for this. And you always want to open the one where you see a vent hole, or a fan. That way, when you open it up, it looks like this on the inside. Okay, so these you just slide them back. Okay, toward the back of the computer like that. As you can see, these have tracks. Okay, these things have track that hook it on both top and bottom. So when you install it, you're doing the same thing, okay? All right, so here's the problem that I got. Okay, power on, and it circulate like that. Okay. So you turn it on and you turn off like that. So it's not even boot up or doing anything. So anyway, I replaced the computer. The power supply from a working computer, and still do the same thing. All right. I checked all the connection. It's all good to go. I also removed these memories out. Clean the memories in there and put them back in. Okay, and make sure all the connector because are good. Okay, or connected. All the connector for the hard drive and the DVD, they all connected. So the only one last thing is I'm gonna turn this thing off. Okay, turn it off, turn off the power. So one last thing I'm gonna try is this battery right there. Okay, so for this particular computer, it looked like it using a 2032 type of battery. I don't know if it's so clear on my camera there. Okay, but anyway, I'm going to take that battery out and check it out. So to remove that battery right there, I see my computer is happen to have a graphic card right underneath that battery. So I'm going to slide this rag in like so, because the battery have tendency of falling out. Okay, so yes, that way when it fall out, it fall onto the rag. Okay, let's see if I can get some lights in there. Okay, hopefully you can see that a little better. All right, so there's the battery. Okay, so I'm going to take a flat jewel screwdriver. Okay, you see me use this kit I bought from Harbor Freight. Okay, so flat screwdriver. What I'm going to do is see that clip right there on the battery. Okay, I don't know why my camera don't want to focus. Okay, so anyway, right there, that clip right there, I just push it toward the left side, and the battery should pop out like so. Okay, now I'm going to take the battery out, and let's change the new one. Okay, so here's the battery. I don't know if it shows, but it's CR2032. Okay, this is the one that just came out. Alright, so I just happen to have these because, I see that I replaced the Prius keys. So I just happen to have this. And these also, yeah, I bought this, sometimes some of my watch using the same thing. Okay. So I'm going to test it out to see if this battery any good here. So I say here is 3 volt on the bottom, say lithium 3 volt right there. So let's test it out. So using a multimeter, turn it on, and I set this to read DC volt. So this is 3 volt. So I set that as the lowest one, which is number 20. Okay, and let's check it out. The top one up here is positive, as you see the positive right there. Okay, so put a negative underneath there, positive. And there's a reading, okay, 0.53 out of 3 volt, okay? Or 0.51 right now, 50 and 49. So it's keep going down on this old battery, okay? Now, let's take out this new battery and see what is the voltage on here. Okay, so this is the new battery. Same type, Sunbeam, okay? You know, you can get this at 99-cent store or at Dollar General, okay? So let's test out this battery I got here. And I'm going to put this on like that, negative and positive. And this one reads 3.26, okay? So definitely this battery came out of that computer is bad, okay? So I'm going to put this new battery in and see what happens. Okay, so here, this is a Sunbeam battery. I'm going to try to slide this thing in there. So I'm going to go hook it on that clip right there and push it toward the my left hand side. Okay, push it, and then it should snap in like that. Okay. Okay, so after I replace the battery, let's turn the power back on. Back here. Push the start button up front. See if it's gonna work. Oh, there it is. Looks like it's working. Okay, window boot up. Boot up. Right there. Okay, it's going through all that check because the CMOS was clear. And there it is, okay? There it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rearrange these wires a little bit so it look a little neat and put on the back cover, and that's it. So that's the problem right there, okay? Bad battery, bad CMOS battery, okay? And that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.